Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Electrolux dishwasher not draining, step-by-step clog and pump repair guide. An Electrolux dishwasher that will not drain is almost always caused by a blockage in the drainage system or a malfunctioning drain pump. To fix this issue, you need to systematically clear the line starting from your sink connection down to the internal pump mechanism. If your unit displays an I20C2 or F2 error code, it directly indicates a drainage malfunction. First, perform a quick cycle reset. Press and hold the cancel button for 5 to 10 seconds to clear the current program. If the motor keeps humming or running continuously, turn off the dishwasher circuit breaker or unplug it for 5 minutes, then turn it back on. Second, clean the filtration system. Scoop out the dirty water with a cup and use a sponge to absorb the remainder. Then rotate the central cylinder filter counterclockwise or clockwise depending on a specific model and lift it out. Then lift the flat metal/plastic screen out from the bottom of the tub. Rinse both filters under warm running water using a toothbrush to scrub away stuck on grease. Third, clear the drain pump impeller. With the filters removed, look into the bottom sump area. On many models, there is a small plastic cover clip safeguarding the pump. Pull the plastic cover off at an angle using your finger and carefully feel around the impeller blades for blockages like glass shards or plastic wrap. Verify if the impeller can spin freely when pushed. Fourth, check the drain hose and plumbing. Ensure the flexible plastic hose under the sink isn't bent, pinched, or crushed by stored items. Ensure a portion of the drain hose is elevated higher than the sink connection point. This gravity barrier prevents wastewater from siphoning back into your appliance. And if the dishwasher was recently installed and connects to a garbage disposal, ensure the knockout plug inside the disposal's inlet tube has been removed. Then disconnect the hose from the sink drain pipe and check the inner connection nozzle for solid food blockages. Fifth, inspect the check valve and pump. First, test the check valve. Located near the drain pump, this valve prevents dirty water from returning into the tub. If the check ball or valve flap gets stuck closed, water cannot exit and part must be cleaned or replaced. Then listen to the pump. Run a fresh drain cycle. If you hear a loud unmoving hum or no sound at all from the bottom of the machine, the drain pump motor may have failed electronically and require replacement. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.